Hey everybody, welcome back to Parks and Pizza. Today I'm going to make something special. Every time I have friends or family that come from the East Coast, first thing they want to do is go to In-N-Out. So today I decided to make that In-N-Out secret sauce that everybody loves and that makes In-N-Out burgers special. It's real easy, it only takes 5 ingredients. So that's what we're going to do today, and then we're going to make a burger with it and see if it compares to real In-N-Out burger. Let's go do it. So it takes 5 ingredients for this secret In-N-Out sauce. So the first one is going to be half a cup of mayonnaise. The second one is going to be 3 tablespoons of ketchup. Then we have 2 tablespoons sweet pickle relish. Then we have a half tablespoon of sugar and half tablespoon of white vinegar. Alright, so you're gonna go in with the mayonnaise first. There it is. Gonna do the ketchup. Sweet relish, sugar, white vinegar. Now we're just going to mix all that. And I can already tell it looks like the In-N-Out sauce. It looks just like it. We're gonna blend that in, mix that in real well. Make sure everything gets mixed in, blended in. Looks good. So this is what it's going to look like. The next step is we're going to go leave this in the fridge for 1 hour so all the different ingredients have time to blend in and create the sauce that we're looking for. So after about 2 hours in the fridge, the sauce is ready to be served. And it looks like this. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to make a homemade burger. I'm going to put the In-N-Out secret sauce on it and see if it tastes anything like In-N-Out burger. Let's go do it. So I made this quick burger. I'm gonna put some In-N-Out secret sauce that we just made on this burger and see if it tastes anything like an In-N-Out burger. Alright, let's go do it. I'm gonna mix some of this sauce up. It was in the fridge for about 2 hours. It looks really good. I'm gonna put it right on the bun here. Spread it out real good. That should do it. Looks real good. That's what the burger looks like. Let's eat it. Yummy. Alright, first bite. just like In-N-Out Burger. If you make this sauce, you'll make yourself an In-N-Out Burger. Mm. Amazing, outstanding, delicious. You don't have to live on the West Coast to experience In-N-Out. Make this sauce, make yourself a quality burger at home, and you got yourself an In-N-Out Burger. That's all I got for you in this video. This is Neil from Parks and Pizza. Thank you guys for tuning in. See you guys in the next one.